Meaning of darken.
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 Darken. The word darken means to make something less bright or to become darker in color. When something is darkened, it can appear more mysterious and somber. This can be achieved through various means such as adding darker pigments or lighting, reducing the brightness of a screen, or using a filter on a camera lens. Darkening can also evoke feelings of sadness, despair, or anxiety. Overall, the result of darkening is a reduction in brightness or lightness, leading to a darker and potentially more intense visual or emotional experience.